So at the moment we're here on the main page. This video is going to get replaced soon. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down here to where it says in the menu under tutorials, blink. This video will also get replaced soon. You've got your anchors up here, which you can go down to if you can't remember how to select the board, if you can't remember how to select the port, or if you can't remember where the upload button is, and then you can click here to go back to the top. So this tutorial is basically telling us that what we need to do is come over here. So we've got here, we're going to go File, Examples, Basics, Blink, and we'll open up this page. So this is a very basic blink sketch. All you need to run it is the Arduino itself. We've got the void setup loop here, which is it'll only run once at the start of the code to set up everything you need. We're setting pin mode, LED, built-in, output. So the built-in LED is being set as an output. Then we've also got here void loop. Now this is the loop that will run the main bit of code, and it'll run it continuously until you tell it to stop. So it says digital write, LED built-in, high. So what that's saying is set the built-in LED high or on. And then we've got delay 1000. And the 1000 is in milliseconds, so it will stop the code for 1000 milliseconds or 1 second. Then we've got digital write, LED built-in, low. So after that 1 second delay, it's going to turn the LED off. And then we've got here delay 1000 again. So after turning it off, it's going to wait 1 second before going back to the start of the code again, and then it's going to turn on. So what we're going to do is we're going to go Tools. Well, first of all, we're going to plug in an Arduino, and then we're going to go Tools, Board, Arduino Genuino Uno, then Tools, Port. Then this is my port. They show up differently on a Mac to a Windows. On a Windows it'll be like COM1, COM7, COM10, whatever. On this one it's showing up as device or dev CU WCH USB serial 14220. Now because this is a knockoff, that's the only reason it's coming up like that. It's a driver I've got installed for the USB to serial. Then if we go upload, got compiling sketch, little loading bar down here, and then once it's finished uploading it comes up done uploading, and then we've got the LED on the board is blinking on and off with a 1 second delay. Now if we were to change this number in here to say 2000, that's 2 seconds, and then this one down here to 500, that's half a second, and we upload it again. Now the LED has sort of a, I guess you could call it a limp effect on. And then we could exaggerate that even more by saying like 3000, 3 seconds on, half a second off. So it's a very basic sketch to get started, but a lot of the knockoff Arduinos, I don't know if the real Arduinos do, but they come with it preloaded. It's a good way to test if the Arduino is working, especially if you buy some of the really cheap ones from eBay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.